Oh, bread knobs in the morning, never in the evening. Bread knobs got me wondering, wondering about this land. Wondering or wandering, either. Bread knobs. This is like a misleading video because of two things. Three. First of all, I don't like this bottle over here. This is just ridiculous. Looks like a shit house. Sorry about that to Christopher in advance. Bread knobs got me working. Bread knobs got me toiling. Bread knobs got me weary. Weary to my bones. Lena was singing this song with me this morning while we made bread knobs for the birds. Yeah. Just a little ditty, you know. But I said, Lena, you must film. Because it's just an example. It's a great song. Is it? It's about bread knobs, honey. Crystals in the morning, crystals in the evening, crystals shining brightly. The good Lord made it so. Here you got your fluoride, here you got your Lemurian. All around you got some amber and some other groovy things. Yeah. Yeah, John won me a nice piece of amber. Amber is a very good stone for anti-inflammation. I have an amber bracelet / necklace. I'm going to put it on. Time to go to work on the crystal healing. Yeah. Crystal. Hi, good morning, Spalding Gray. Hi. Hey. Spalding came to me last night in a dream. He was a twins. He was a twin of himself, Spalding Gray, and he was in the schoolyard where I grew up playing handball, where I practically lived for a couple of years. The schoolyard around the corner from my house, and PS 113, yeah, Queens, New York, and I used to roller skate there. I learned how to roller skate there, just for hours and hours, falling down, getting up. Became a great roller skater. I was very, very good. But Spalding was in this vision last night, and he was at one end of the schoolyard, and then he was at the other end. What was it? Well, it was. Go ahead, Spalding. Yeah. My puppet's in there somewhere, but I guess you're too tired to get it. Yeah, I am. I'm lazy, but let's get a picture of Spalding up. All right.